Good morning, everyone. Myself Asu Padhay, and I am first year BPT student at Marwari University. Today I am going to present my topic on psychology, information processing, and theory of memory. This theory explains how humans receive, store, and retrieve information similar to the way a computer processing data. Introduction. The introduction and definitions of information processing theory of memory. Definitions. Information processing theory suggests the memory works through a series of stages where information is encoded, stored, and reactive when needed. According to psychologist, our brain processes information in a systematic way. Information entire through our sense gets stored in memory and later recalled. These processes helps learn, think, and solve problems. The stages of memory: sensory memory, short term memory, and long term memory. There are three types of memory. The theory divides memory into three main stages: information first, entire sensory memory, the moves to short storage memory, and finally to long term memory. It if it is properly passed. Sensory memory characteristics: received information from senses lasts only a few seconds, large capacities. Sensory memory beliefs hold information received through our eye, ear, and other senses. For example, when I see a flash of light or hear a sound, in information remain for a very short time before dissipating. Short-term memory. Short-term memory. Short-term memory temporarily storage information we are currently thinking about. For example, remembering a phone number for a few seconds before dialing it. And working memory. Working memory temporarily hold to manipulate information to concrete tasks. Capacity is limited. Strategy like chunking and focused attention improve information and received overloaded. And long-term memory. Long-term memory. Long-term memory, when information is rehearsed and understood, it moves into long-term memory. This memory can last for a year or even a lifetime, such as remembering a name, language, and a childhood experiences. Memory processes. There are three types of memory processes: encoding, storage, retrieval. Mm, just like a factor affecting of memory: attention, survival factor influence memory, paying attention, repeating information, understanding concept, staying motivated, and getting enough sleep, and all improve memory performance. Conclusions conclusions Summary: memory processes information like a computer. Information passed through sensory short term and long term memory, including storage and retrieval and essential memory processes. In conclusion, the information processing theory of memory helps to understand how information is received, stored, and recalled. Understanding there are processes can inform learning and memory in everyday life. Thank you for listening. Do you have a question? Please type a comment box. Thank you.